Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine your bare balcony wall transformed into a living cascade of tropical leaves, monstera unfurling, pothos trailing, calathea shimmering, all rising vertically without taking up a single inch of your precious floor space. That lush, layered oasis. You can create it, even on the tiniest balcony. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, your home for peaceful and inspiring small garden ideas. Today, we're exploring Balcony Vertical Garden Design 2026, genius space-saving wall planter ideas. When designing a vertical garden, think layers, not clutter. Start with a strong backbone, modular panels, hanging pockets, or floating shelves, and choose just 3 to 5 tropical plants that thrive in your light. ZZ plants for low light, pothos for versatility, monstera for drama, and calathea for color. Arrange them with rhythm. Tall plants at the top, trailers in the middle, and compact growers at the base. Go smart with self-watering systems or felt pocket planters that retain moisture, because no one has time to water daily. Add subtle lighting, recessed LEDs or solar string lights tucked behind foliage to make your wall glow at night. And if you're renting, use tension rods, over-railing hooks, or removable adhesive hangers. Zero damage, maximum impact. Your balcony doesn't need more space, it just needs to grow upward. With a little intention, your wall can become your most peaceful, most alive, and most genius garden yet. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more space-smart, soul-nourishing garden inspiration all year long.